What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games. Hope you're doing well. I think I'm coming down with the cold, but I'll be all right. We're sitting at 0.021. We're down about 3.4 on the day. Same market cap of 469 million. 24-hour volume 62 million. Let's hop into the chart. So we broke down from this channel. We retested, seeing continuation to the downside. We are looking for one more low to fill that wick. It might come down to ending diagonal. It's a bit early to tell. Like, what you could be looking at here is A, B, C into a 1. And then you would A, B, C into a 2 right here. And then you would come down the channel just like this. 3, 4, 5. Slightly break below that wick and complete this pullback. That is a possibility. It's a bit early to tell. There's also the chance of an impulse. If we just see a straight drop, then this could be a 1 down, pull back in a 2, and basically you'd be looking to come down in a wave 3. If I use my brush, then you would look at 1, 2, and then you'd see impulsive drop 3, 4, 5. Complete the 3. I'll give you a quick target if that scenario were to play out. I'll give you a target for that wave 3. If we got rejected here, then the 1.618 target for the 3 would be about 0.019. Pull back in a 4. Yeah, you would have to still come down and break that wick. So maybe we see an overextended wave 3, or the ending diagonal plays out. If we stay within this channel, if we come down, we bounce off this channel, then we have more indication that we are going to see that ending diagonal. But either way, I do think there's a high likelihood that wick gets filled. If it doesn't, there is the possibility of a 1-2 setup, which is shown here in orange. But a rule of thumb with trading with crypto is that wicks, most of the time, they do get filled. So we'll see how everything plays out. Of course, we are in our target zone, in our in between 0.021 and 0.0259. As I mentioned, with these wave 2 pullbacks after a bear market bottom, they tend to cause max pain, and that's currently what we're seeing right now for Gala. So we'll see if we fill this wick and then see continuation to the upside. I personally, I don't think we're going to break this low at 0.0154, but we'll have to see how everything plays out. BTC does look like it's got a little bit more room to come down. So we'll see if Gala comes down and fills this wick. If we maintain this channel, just watch for that ending diagonal. Everything's been playing out as we've been predicting here. When we were up here and I said Gala would come down to the 2-cent range, everybody was shit talking me in the comment section, and now they're nowhere to be found. So currently we're in 4 trades. You can gain access if you sign up to Bitkit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses and then just make your first deposit. It takes 2 minutes. Email me your sign up email. Let me quickly pop it open. We have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you get a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis for crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, some of them have been crushing it. Nice little short trade. Mahado all plays, as well as Forex analysis and signals. Usually it's $10 a month. If you want direct access, sign up through the Patreon link. But as I mentioned, you can get that 30-day free trial if you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges. Email me or sign up email. It takes 2 minutes. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Smash the like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.